I think I'm gonna meet capybaras. Capybara.
Capybara, 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 capybara.
Because they gave us a snack coupon and I got a scallion pancake and I bought some water with like 20 bucks. That's good. Just met the man of my dreams. This is the capybara.
Capybara.
Paratha खा लो। Picnic spot. This is day 11 in Taiwan, actually kind of like day 12, and this is my last night here because tomorrow I will be leaving in the evening as my flight is at night, so I won't really get to experience the night here anymore, and that is precisely why I'm stepping out right now even though I'm dead tired, but I don't want to miss this so much that I'm yet to see in this city, and I'm just like, I can't miss it. So